Python bs4 get element in popup without selenium. I would like to gather data behind a popup in this page. This URL. I'm trying to gather data in the popup subjects and skills. I know I could use selenium, but I would rather not if it is not useful. The data I am trying to gather is in there. However, it returns none, since it is behind a popup that looks like this. When the arrow button has been clicked, the value of data arrow changes to true, and this might be a solution, but I am unsure how / if it is possible to change this value. Thanks.
If you are looking for the pop-up from subjects I used, and the return was is, I got it by clicking the pop-up, highlighting the text, then right-click and go to Inspect to locate the class. If you just want the text, returns.
Please subscribe.